All right, ladies and gentlemen, here is the second part of the Super 6, which is the semicolon topic sentences. This is another sophisticated way of writing a topic sentence that many of you are ready for. It uses a semicolon to connect two separate sentences, which includes a conjunctive adverb and some punctuation to connect those. So as you can see, our first example, our country has a history of many famous inventors, semicolon, however, comma, Benjamin Franklin was one of the most prolific. A second example, we always thought our solar system contained 9 planets, semicolon. Notice that could be a standalone sentence. Here comes the second part. Consequently, comma, many Americans were shocked when scientists announced that Pluto was no longer thought to be a planet, period. Too many students do not pay careful attention in class, semicolon. In fact, comma, some would benefit from relearning the rules for being a good listener, period. And the final example, exposure to too much sun has been proven to be dangerous, semicolon. Therefore, comma, it is critical to take steps to protect your skin. The conjunctive adverbs they are referring to is however, consequently, in fact, and therefore. There are also a few other ones that you may choose to use. Here is the full list of conjunctive adverbs that you could use to create your semicolon sentence. As a result, consequently, furthermore, however, in fact, instead, likewise, meanwhile, nevertheless, next, otherwise, still, and therefore. Here's another example. The first part of the sentence is the usual simple declarative sentence we've been using. Dogs make the best pets, semicolon. As a result, comma, I can't wait to get a dog when I have my own house. So it's another way to kind of narrow in on that topic. We know you're talking about dogs. Now I know the rest of your paragraph or paper would be about all of the things that you would want in your own dog in the future. A second example, many laws are in place to keep people safe on the roads, semicolon. Nevertheless, comma, there are always people out there that choose not to follow the driving laws. So that would be a paragraph about the driving laws and why it's important to follow those, using those lists of conjunctive adverbs to connect your two sentences together. Copy these sentences down and finish the second half of the sentence. You may choose a different adverb if you want. I filled in the first half of the sentence and included one of the conjunctive adverbs. You're going to fill in the rest of that sentence. If you would like to replace that green word with one of the other words in the list that would make more sense for the second half of the sentence, feel free to do so. Write these sentences down, pause the video, and when you are finished, you have completed your job and you may turn in your paper.